I want to share with you one of my favorite breathing techniques, meditations that I use from time to time. It starts with breathing maybe 4 or 6 times in through your nose, and when you breathe out, you make a humming sound. It can sound like this. I feel that this humming sound creates a vibration that spreads all over my body, really goes deep in those places that I needed the most. And this vibration really makes me relax, my muscles relax, and my nervous system instantly calms down. After maybe 4 or 6 times of breathing like this, I continue breathing normally, in through my nose and out through my nose, focusing on the breath and going deeper into my meditation. Good luck!